The tractor is spraying pesticide in the field while Monkey walks toward the fish pond. Monkey walks out and looks down at the pond with a shocked expression, holding his face with both hands.
Oh no!
A wide view of the pond shows trash floating everywhere, with fish lying motionless on the surface. Tractor walks by the pond carrying a bag of trash, glances at the water, then carelessly throws the bag into the pond. Monkey walks out and sees the field overgrown with weeds, then comes up with the idea of spraying herbicide. Tractor drives into the field to spray, then takes the bottle of chemical to the edge of the pond and throws it in.
Dispatch to Hauler 7, move now. Repeat, move now.
As the bottle is thrown in, the fish turn belly up and float to the surface. The water tank truck and excavator arrive. The water tank lowers its hose and starts sucking up all the water.
Oh my God!
The excavator jumps down, scoops all the live fish into a bucket, and hands it over to Monkey. Next, it scoops up the remaining fish in the garbage bag. Monkey waits for Excavator on the shore. Excavator comes over and digs a hole with its bucket. Monkey pushes the bucket and pours the fish into the hole that has been dug. Excavator fills the hole, and Monkey turns around and walks toward the water pump.
Okay.
The water pump is broken, and Monkey's face shows clear confusion and worry. Two water tank trucks drive up, and Monkey's face lights up with joy. They lower the hose into the water, and the water gradually fills up the pond. Monkey releases the fish into the pond. The fish swim around happily, and Monkey walks over with a satisfied expression. Monkey walks out and reminds Tractor, don't throw trash around carelessly. A panoramic view of the farm Tractor won, and Monkey are driving along the road. With a distracted gaze, he accidentally trips over a large rock in the middle of the road.
Oh no! Slow down! Slow down!
The cart and the driver stacked. The water bottles in the back clashed against each other and rolled toward the tree trunk. Monkey jumped onto the tractor, and rushed toward the tree trunk, feeling dizzy as the juice box shattered into pieces.
Hey!
Monkey pulled out his phone and called Bulldozer.
Hello. See?
Monkey
You
pointed
lift
to
the
the
sacks
ground,
here,
signaling
then we
the
drive
tractor
them
to
over to
attach
the...
the plot.
Okie dokie.
Tractor attached to plow, drove from the barn into the field, and tilled the soil until the entire plot was done. Monkey walked over, gave a thumbs up, and signaled Tractor 3 to attach the tiller.
Good job.
Next, Monkey ran to the pile of seed bags, hoisted one onto his shoulder, and poured it into the seed tank. Tractor 3 drove the seeder into the field. Wherever it went, seeds fell neatly into the soil. It sowed seeds until the entire field was covered. Monkey ran to the water pump and pressed the start button. Water began to spray out, and the irrigation system moved along, watering the entire field. Watermelons, carrots, and pineapples gradually sprouted, bloomed, and bore fruit. The entire orchard was filled with ripe produce. The harvester and tractor moved into the field, and the harvester extended its pipe toward the tractor. Wherever the harvester moved, the watermelons were harvested. The tractor moved in sync beside it. The harvester and tractor continued working until all the fruits in the field were harvested. The tractor moved next to the juice machine, and the fruits and vegetables flew into the machine one after another. The juice machine started blending, and fresh juice flowed out. The different kinds of juice were gradually poured into bottles until they were full. The container gradually filled up with colorful juice bottles.
Yeah!
Tractor and Monkey clapped their hands and jumped for joy. The tractor carrying Monkey is moving normally on the road.
Dun, 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 dun.
Nani?
Dark clouds are gathering dust and lightning. The dump truck carrying a chainsaw, excavator, and clamshell move in and stop in front of the tree trunk. The clamshell lifts the chainsaw up. Saw the tree line in the section down there. A swarm of bees flies out. The swarm of bees chases after the monkey. The monkey runs to the spot behind the truck. The monkey holds a bunch of straw in its hand and tries to scare the bees. The monkey holds a chainsaw and continues cutting the wood. The logs are quickly cutting to pieces. Cut the tree into small sections. At the same time, the clamshell releases its grip, clamps onto a log, lifts it, and drops it into the truck.
Hey, come here.
The monkey waves at the excavator and points to the pile of soil and rocks. The excavator scoops up the rocks and loads them into the truck. The monkey nods in satisfaction and waves goodbye to
Good
the bees.
job.
Bye-bye.
A panoramic view of the farm tractor 1 and Monkey are driving along the road. With a distracted gaze, he accidentally trips over a large rock in the middle of the road.
Oh no, slow down, slow down!
The cart and the driver stagged. The water bottles in the back clashed against each other and rolled toward the tree trunk. Monkey jumped onto the tractor and rushed toward the tree trunk, feeling dizzy as the juice bottles shattered into pieces.
Hey!
Monkey pulled out his phone and called Bulldozer.
Hello. See?
Monkey
You
pointed
lift
to
the
the
sacks
ground,
here,
signaling
then we
the tractor
drive them over to
attach
the
plow.
dokie.
Tractor attached to plow, drove from the barn into the field and tilled the soil until the entire plot was done. Monkey walked over, gave a thumbs up, and signaled Tractor 3 to attach the tiller.
Good job.
Next, Monkey ran to the pile of seed bags, hoisted one onto his shoulder, and poured it into the seed tank. Tractor 3 drove the seeder into the field. Wherever it went, seeds fell neatly into the soil. It sowed seeds until the entire field was covered. Monkey ran to the water pump and pressed the start button. Water began to spray out, and the irrigation system moved along, watering the entire field. Watermelons, carrots, and pineapples gradually sprouted, bloomed, and bore fruit. The entire orchard was filled with ripe produce. The harvester and tractor moved into the field, and the harvester extended its pipe toward the tractor. Wherever the harvester moved, The watermelons were harvested. The tractor moved in sync beside it. The harvester and tractor continued working until all the fruits in the field were harvested. The tractor moved next to the juice machine, and the fruits and vegetables flew into the machine one after another. The juice machine started blending, and fresh juice flowed out. The different kinds of juice were gradually poured into bottles until they were full. The container gradually filled up with colorful juice bottles.
Yeah!
Tractor and Monkey clapped their hands and jumped for joy. Monkey holds his hungry belly and looks around the tree for food. Monkey's eyes wide. He rushes to the mushroom patch and quickly picks them without hesitation. Monkey bites straight into the mushroom, but suddenly freezes and clutches his stomach in pain.
Oh
Help me!
On the other side, Tractor is walking along whistling. As he gets closer, he stops. Tractor quickly runs toward the tree and panics when he sees Monkey.
Oh no!
Are you okay?
Okay.
Tractor 2 arrives. Tractor 1 explains everything, and Tractor 2 quickly figures out the problem. Tractor takes out a first aid bottle, pulls out an antidote bottle, and carefully gives it to Monkey to drink. Monkey slowly wakes up and thanks Tractor.
Thank you.
Tractor smiles and glances toward the garden on the farm, suddenly getting an idea to grow mushrooms. Monkey, excited by the idea, claps enthusiastically in agreement. Monkey pours the spores into Tractor's car, and Tractor drives into the garden, spreading them until the whole area is covered. Next, Monkey carries a big bundle of straw and spreads it all over the garden. The garden slowly sprouts pure white mushrooms, covering the entire area in a blanket of white. Monkey and the two tractors happily hop around, then turn to look at the poisonous mushroom patch. In the end, never pick and eat anything you find by the roadside if you don't know where it comes from. The farm is bright under the hot sun. Monkey and Tractor come out of the barn. The rice field is dry and cracked. They run to the well to check. The well is empty and dry.
Aha!
He points to the ground and says, "Let's dig a new well." Tractor attaches the trailer and drives off.
Hello, hello.
Whoa!
Hello.
Monkey uses two L-shaped rods to find the spot. The rods cross, marking the drilling point.
I'm coming.
Drill moves in, lowers the bit, and starts drilling. Water bursts from the ground, and drill stops.
Good job.
Come on, step it up.
Ew.
Hey, you! Come here! I know it.
Clamshell places the pump and pipes. While mixer truck pours concrete to secure them. Monkey turns on the switch, and water sprays across the field. A lush and green rice field appears.
Bye-bye.
A peaceful view of the sunny farm. Monkey rides on tractor 1, and Harvester drives toward the radish field. All of a sudden, Monkey's phone buzzes with a meteor alert. Looking puzzled, he raises his eyes to the sky. A bright streak slices through the sky. A red meteor, wrapped in flame, rushes down. The meteor plunges from the sky toward the field. Boom! It crashes with a massive explosion. Monkey walks out with a sad face, kneels down, and stares into the crater. Harvester comes up with the idea to fill the crater and plant turnips. Monkey nods in agreement.
Hello.
Tractor 2 drives up to the crater and dumps soil in it. The hole gradually fills up. Harvester backs up to attach the tiller, then drives to the field and plows until the entire plot is ready. The soil plots are loosened and turned over. Next, Monkey grabs a bag of seeds, takes a handful, and tosses them onto the ground.
Oh my God!
Monkey looks shocked as a giant radish sprouts from the ground. It's even bigger than the vehicle. Monkey runs over and tries to pull it out. But even with all his strength, he can't uproot it. He has no choice but to call for help and contact section.
Okay.
Excavator arrives and uses his bucket to lift the giant radish. Excavator sets it down to the side, and Monkey jumps around happily, dancing with joy around the radish.
Goodbye.
A lush green mustard vegetable field.
Eh?
Tractor 1 is connected to the irrigation system, and on the ground lies a bottle of plant fertilizer. Monkey placed a bottle of fertilizer next to Tractor 1.
Oh no!
Harvester picked up the bottle of fertilizer. Poured it into the water tank.
Okay.
Tractor 1 moved into the field. Water sprayed out. The plants gradually withered.
Oh my God!
Harvester looked surprised. The plant nutrient box was still intact.
I'm sorry. Harvester took out his phone and called for vehicles to come and help.
Okay, let's go.
Tractors 2 and 3 moved closer.
Help me.
Let's go.
Moved over the field, tilling the soil.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Monkey carried the sack of seeds and poured them into the container. Tractor 3 moved into the field. Seeds were sprayed out.
Wow.
Havister picked up the bottle of plant fertilizer and poured it out. The plant sprouted and gradually grew. Everyone was happy.
Good job!